Welcome to this 10-minute mindfulness meditation. This time is a gift you give yourself, a chance to step away from the busyness of daily life and enjoy the richness of the present. By anchoring the breath and observing our experience with kindness, we give the mind and body permission to rest. We create space for ease and clarity, discovering a sanctuary and the joy in each passing moment. So take a moment to settle into a comfortable position, whether sitting upright or lying down. Allow your hands to rest naturally, your shoulders to soften, and your eyes to close if that feels comfortable. Begin by taking a few long breaths, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling completely through your mouth. Notice where you might be holding tension in your body, and with each exhale, allow yourself to relax. A few more deep breaths here, inhaling the positive energy and exhaling to release all stress and worries. Arrive here just as you are, with kindness and curiosity. Now allowing your breath to settle into its natural, gentle rhythm, noticing without needing to change it. Breathing in, feel the coolness of the inhale. And breathing out, feel the warmth of the exhale. Notice the gentle movement of your chest, rising and falling with each breath an anchor, guiding you deeper into your sanctuary. Now, as you continue to breathe naturally, begin to scan your body. Starting at the top of the head, visualize a warm ray of sunshine, moving slowly downward. The forehead, the eyes, the jaw. Noticing the sensations. If you find tension, breathe into it and allow it to soften. Bring attention to the neck and shoulders, letting them gently drop. Notice the arms and hands, allowing them to feel heavy and relaxed. Now feel the chest rising and falling with each breath. And continue down through the belly, the hips, the legs, all the way to the feet. With each breath, inviting the body to soften, allowing all stress to melt away. As you sit in stillness, the thoughts may come and go. Memories, plans, distractions. Rather than pushing them away, simply notice them and let them drift like clouds moving across the vast sky. And once again, gently return to the breath. Expanding your awareness outward now, notice the sounds around you. Notice any scents in the air, the temperature on your skin, the feeling of the ground or seat beneath you. Welcome each sensation as part of the present moment, without judgment, simply allowing it to be. Now as you take a slow, deep breath in and a gentle breath out, silently repeat to yourself, in this moment, I am present. In this moment, I am at peace. Let these words settle deeply into your heart, filling you with peace and gratitude. Remembering that each new breath is a blessing. Each breath is a gift. Slowly bring awareness back to your body. Gently wiggle your fingers and your toes. And when you're ready, allow your eyes to open, returning softly to the world around you. As you continue on with your day, carry with you the ease and presence you've cultivated. The reminder that sanctuary and joy are always within reach, in each breath, in each moment. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. And until I see you next time, Namaste.